And that's how the rescue starts. A gold 190 pulling another gold 190. Hello and welcome to the show. Today's host is George, that guy over here, and we're gonna be rescuing 190 Cosworth 2.316, which at some point in the past he's had some work done. Megasquirt, throttle bodies, stuff like that. We just dragged the car here with the new addition. You're gonna see that very soon on the channel. But yeah, have a look. So it's a 190, as you can see, 2.316 Cosworth, throttle bodies and all that stuff. Megasquirt in the glove box. So let's get it washed. I've got the jet wash out. Let's give it a good old clean, and tomorrow new fuel pumps and see where we are. Sorry for the noise, but it's a bit windy here. Alright, I cleaned up the throttle bodies. I got me start spray over here. So let's test if it has ignition, because I'm pretty sure the fuel pump is seized because I don't hear it running. And also the other thing is, to open the car you have to come from the back door, open one of the doors, because none of the handles for the front doors outside work, just from inside. So what I do is open the door, put ignition on, put a new battery in it, roll the window down. That moves a lot better. Now it's out of gear, handbrake on. Right, let me put it on tripod quickly. So we definitely have ignition. And that's all four as well. Alright, we have a runner. It's backfiring a bit. Yep, we definitely have ignition. It starts on all four, kinda. So fuel pumps tomorrow on a jerry rig over here, and I think we can go for a test drive. Right. So this has been the closest to actually start and run. Lovely days. Let's see if we can find any oil. So, fill up. Oil pump is working. Lovely. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Right. Let's go home because it's time to play with a little guy. So this is it from me today, guys. We dug out a Cosworth out of a barn. Well, it wasn't really a barn, it was like a parking space next to a barn. So we washed it, we freed up the throttle bodies because all of them were stuck, and we had it run. So yeah, stay tuned if you want to see more of this car. This car is gonna get fully rebuilt. Everything that needs doing will get done, so we can get it back on the road for summer and enjoy it. So if you like what you see and you want some more 190 content, like that one over there and this one over here and the one that is at my house, stay tuned. By the way, new daily driver, hasn't run in 2 years, put a battery on it, started right away. Cheapest 2.6 I can find. Sight unseen, bought it. Anyway, video for that coming soon anyway. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.